Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're talking about how to prevent and address rust on your metal fence to keep it strong and looking great. Let's get started. Rust is the #1 enemy of metal fences. Left untreated, it can weaken your fence and ruin its appearance. But don't worry, preventing and addressing rust is easy with the right approach. Start by cleaning your fence regularly. Dirt and moisture can accelerate rusting, so use mild soap and water to clean your fence every few months. Make sure to dry it thoroughly afterward. Pay close attention to moisture-prone areas, like near the ground or where water tends to pool. Rust usually starts here, so keep these areas as dry as possible. Next, apply a rust preventive spray or coating. This creates a protective barrier that stops moisture and oxygen from reaching the metal. You can do this once a year for added protection, especially in high moisture climates. If you already see rust forming, don't worry. Start by removing it with a wire brush or sandpaper. Gently scrub the rusted area until you reach the clean metal underneath. After removing the rust, apply a rust-inhibiting primer to prevent it from returning. Once the primer is dry, finish with a coat of rust-resistant paint to keep your fence looking fresh. Don't forget to inspect bolts, screws, and posts. These small parts can rust too, so tighten or replace them if needed to maintain the overall strength of your fence. To recap, clean your fence regularly, apply rust preventive coatings, remove rust as soon as you spot it, and keep hardware in good shape. With these simple steps, your fence will stay rust-free for years to come. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.